Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram story if the song isn't available to you. Now first of all, open your Play Store or your App Store and search in Instagram. And after that, click on the Instagram profile. As you can see, it is on the latest version. If it is not, then update your Instagram to the latest version. Now the next step is to uninstall your Instagram and reinstalling it, then it will be working all fine. Or log out your personal account from your Instagram, then log in back again. To log out from it, go to settings and privacy, scroll down a little, and as you can see, it says log out from your account. And if it is still not working, then go to these three bars, click on settings and privacy, scroll down and click on help, and click on report a problem. Click on report problem without checking, click on include and continue, and you can either screenshot it or upload the photo you have taken and write a problem what you are facing with it. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.